When comparing Bluehost versus Scala hosting and their site builder tools, you'll find two solid contenders, but they each come with their strengths and weaknesses. If you're looking for an easy-to-use site builder to launch your website quickly, you'll want to stick around till the end, because I'll reveal which of these services, or a competitor, truly delivers the best experience. Let's start with Bluehost. It's one of the most popular web hosting providers out there, and for good reason. They've been around for a long time and have built a reputation for reliable hosting. When it comes to their site builder, they offer WordPress integration, which, let's face it, is probably one of the most user-friendly ways to create a site. You get access to Elementor, a drag-and-drop builder that's great for people who want flexibility without needing to code. It's perfect if you're looking to create a fully customizable site, but there's a catch. The free plan has limited templates and customization beyond that can be a bit more challenging. Next thing, let's look at Scala hosting. They're less known than Bluehost, but definitely make an impression with their VPS hosting options, which offer a more robust platform for serious site builders. Scala Hosting's builder is more simplistic, but it's designed with ease in mind. It's direct and intuitive, especially for beginners who just want to get a site up and running without too much hassle. You get some nice pre-built themes, which can help speed up the process. But on the flip side, the customization options are pretty limited compared to what Bluehost offers with Elementor. Now, let's talk about performance. Bluehost offers solid uptime and speed, and when combined with WordPress, you get a great balance between ease of use and decent performance. However, the user experience can feel a bit sluggish if you're working with larger sites or need more complex features. You might feel constrained by the limitations of their drag-and-drop editor, which isn't as powerful as other options out there. Scala Hosting, on the other hand, offers more speed, especially if you're using their VPS hosting. Their servers are more performance-driven, so if you're planning on scaling up or need your website to load quickly, this is where they shine. However, the simplicity of their site builder can sometimes hinder more advanced users who might want finer control over their website design. The fourth thing to consider is support. Bluehost is known for having great customer support, and with 24/7 availability, they can solve issues quite fast, which is a plus for beginners. However, Scala Hosting tends to go above and beyond with support. Their customer service is always praised for being responsive and personal. If you need help customizing or troubleshooting, Scala Hosting could win here, especially if you're using their VPS hosting. And finally, the most important point, price. Bluehost tends to be cheaper upfront, especially if you're only interested in a basic site. Their plans are quite budget-friendly, but the real cost comes when you start adding additional features or upgrades. Scala Hosting, while a bit pricier, offers more value for money if you need better performance or advanced features right from the start. Now, after trying both Bluehost and Scala Hosting, I'd say these tools work well for certain types of users, but if your main goal is to get the most out of your site building experience with the least amount of hassle and best performance, I'd suggest checking out the alternative I've linked below. Through our link, you'll get access to exclusive benefits that are only available to viewers like you. All the platforms mentioned in this video have their merits, but for what you're looking for, I highly recommend taking advantage of the free trial in the first link in the description. You'll get the best tools for building your website quickly and easily, without the performance limitations that come with other services. Don't miss out on this exclusive deal. Click the link below and get started today.